Hi everyone, my name is Mona Lisa and I have this small venture called Treasure Exploring Gifting Ideas, and would like to thank She for giving us this opportunity today to showcase our products amongst all the members. So I would like to share some of my beautiful products in two categories basically. I deal in ikat sling bags, the cloth bags basically, which is having beautiful combo offers right now going on. As you can see, these are sling bags with the beautiful cloth, which is coming out with the one pouch to keep your mobiles. Another combo offer is like this, and I have multiple varieties of bags. These are round bags, which are very trendy these days, and other pattern of the bags are these, which are coming up with the combo of something like this, which you can give to your friends and to your loved ones. There are multiple varieties of bags. As you can see, I have many beautiful colors. I have red, black, again a beautiful green color, and some of the handbags you can see, which is very beautiful cloth bag, and light gentle wash you can do with these bags. So coming up next, I have these very cute little handy pouches, wallet to be precise, to carry your cards and money and anything you can carry in this. And I have these wallets here, multi-purpose wallets, which is just for 250 rupees cloth bag, a gentle light wash. And some of the wallets, slings for your walk, keeping your mobiles, and sanitizer, mask, anything, lipsticks. The second section of the bags and the gifting items are jute bags. These are my own manufacturing done. So I have this Ganesh Chaturthi bag, which is 10 by 10 size, for giving hampers or giving any gifts to your loved one during Ganesh Chaturthi. Just for 100 rupees you can pick these Ganesh Chaturthi bags. I have these beautiful potlis, 5 by 7 size, which you can give as a prasadam. Another one, I have these 5 by 5 very handy for giving laddus and prasad here. And then I have these happy birthdays bags, goodie bags, which you can give it for your children, return gifts. Something for the lunch box, which you can carry a lunch. Another set, I have these lovely potlis, which you can use as a return gifts, or any purpose you can use these. And these are jute, which is a 14 by 14 hole. So the lamination is extremely steady and strong, and it is certified by Handicraft of India also. And next is, I have a canvas bag, which you can use for paintings, and many of the art and craft things can be done with canvas bags. This is approximately 250 to 300 GSM canvas bag. And I also have this beautiful pouch, a kind of a bag, which you can keep your mobile, your lipsticks, and can just handy and hold like this and ready to go ahead. So this is all about jute products which I have. Now I'll come to my another category of gifting items. I do have lots of varieties of gifting items. As you can see, I have these beautiful pouches, coin pouches. I have these lovely unicorn pouches for giftings, or as a return gift also. Yes, I would like to tell you that the quality the pricing depends on the bulk order and a single piece also. So if you need bulk price, the price goes different, and if you need a single piece, the price is different. So this is the LED pouch for unicorn, and I have slings, sequence sling bags, a very lovely blue color sling bag you can see. So like this, some nice diaries for children, lovely handy bags available in many colors, as you can see these. And coming up with another lovely bag of mine, which is Very, very lovely bag. It's a polka dot red color bag, which is very handy and water resistant also. And the quality of the bag speaks for itself. You can just pick this bag for 500 rupees only, and can stuff around 5 to 6 kgs of storage inside it. Yeah. So if you're looking for any gifting items, or and here I have some lovely pouches for gifting. I have lovely car pencil box for children, which has 3 layers inside it, and you can just pick this for 350 only. And a beautiful jute bag, which is very strong and steady. You can see the lamination is very, very strong for these bags. So yes, you can, if you're looking for something very unique, a canvas pouch again, which you can do craft, and you can paint this. The color doesn't come out from the bags. So yeah, if you're looking for something very nice and trendy gifting items, you can call me up, WhatsApp me up, and 9620114111. We'll be happy to help you and assist you for any of your gifting items. So I'll just go through my bags one more time. These are ikat bags, ikat wallets, round bags, some of the handy trendy bags with 3 sections, jute, potli for the Ganesh Chaturthi, specially designed for Ganesh Chaturthi, available in 3 or 4 colors. If you're looking for single, the price is different. If you're looking for bulk, the price goes down. So just to let you know, pouches, bags, very trendy bags. Yeah. So do approach me, do call me up, and thank you for all your support to all the She members and other members also. It's been a great 3 years journey of my venture, Treasure, and looking forward for to assist you further in my journey of the small venture of my business. Thank you so much.